Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage tasty. Start by selecting a vibrant, firm head of cabbage, ensuring it feels heavy for its size. This indicates freshness and good moisture content. Next, prepare your cabbage by removing any bruised or tough outer leaves. Then, carefully cut the cabbage into your desired shape, whether it's wedges, shreds, or chunks, and rinse it well. Proper preparation is the first crucial step to unlocking its delicious potential. To truly elevate cabbage, consider roasting it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until caramelized and sweet. Another fantastic method is sautéing it with a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt, adding garlic and onions for aromatic depth. Braising cabbage in a flavorful broth for about 30 minutes also yields a wonderfully tender and savory dish. Each technique highlights different aspects of its versatility. To enhance cabbage's flavor profile, a simple addition of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice can brighten the entire dish. For a heartier, more savory option, try cooking it with 4 ounces of crispy bacon or a quarter pound of smoked sausage. Don't forget to season generously with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of caraway seeds for an authentic touch. These ingredients truly transform it. Beyond basic preparations, cabbage shines in many creative dishes. Consider making a fresh, crunchy coleslaw with a light vinaigrette, perfect for picnics. For a comforting meal, try stuffed cabbage rolls, typically filled with a mixture of ground meat and rice, simmered in a tomato sauce. You can even ferment it into homemade sauerkraut, a tangy and healthy condiment that takes about 3 weeks to develop its full flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.